Sorry, that was the fastest I did. And then a guy stopped me and talked to me, so. I was like, where'd you play basketball at? Elbine? I said, no. I said, I still play basketball at Hardin County. He said, you play basketball, right? And I said, yeah. I said, you know Lauren Burnham? I said, yeah, I do. So you talk to him a lot? I said, yeah, I see him some. He was like, well, tell him Mark Cooper said hi. And then he told me this whole story about how they knew each other. Sorry though, I was trying to get out here as fast as I could. I got it. I'm fine. So, what does that count as for Connor? He got the steal, but then
So they get blocked out. Just get knocked out.
I'm not sure.
But they never really got possession of the ball.
Dre got that rebound. Dre got the rebound, went up, missed it. Then Conley got the rebound and went up and got fouled. The ref is standing right in the way.
There you go, bud. Yeah.
Good shot.
Good job, bud.
Quit touching.
Good job, Dre. Good. Yeah.
Don't telegraph your passes.
He always gets fouled on his threes. Oh wait, no, that was Josiah in the other game. Yeah, you're right.
Let's go, LaShawn.
Let's go, Sean. I wasn't making fun of you. I just thought it was funny the way you said it. Good shot.
Yeah.
My favorite habit is making fun of you. It's not even making fun. It's just mocking.
Same here.
No, it's not.
There you go, LaShawn.
No, I'm not. I was watching the game. I could watch it on the air if its brightness was turned up. Not without stopping the video.
Good one.
Yeah, but he was still dribbling. You can slide all you want to as long as he's still dribbling. I'd say that's Dre's turn number. Yeah.
What?
Dre's turn number.
Hang on.
Or would you say that was?
Hang on, let me get it. Who's in? Who came out? Dre and who else?
Klein.
Ron, who came in? What happened there?
They just said Evan missed it.
Klein missed him.
No, Evan.
Good, Evan. There you go.
I got it. I'm a woman. I'm a good multitasker. Sometimes. Until it comes to watching a game.
There you go, Evan. Nice job.
Oh, what's on? Oh, that made it?
Nobody made it down
Yeah,
here.
okay, yeah.
They didn't give us our points. The last one is 10-5. They didn't give the last one down here. It's 100% 10-5. Because Evan shot got a 10-5.
Okay.
Evan and Conley. Jose and Jackson.
Conley. Huh? Says the score is 13 to tell coach. Or you think it's to leave it? Tell coach.
He's got a referee.
Yeah, that'll work.
Almost so close. Go, Josiah.
Hold on, we'll get it at a timeout. Or, no, it's free throws. Ask him now.
There you go. Josiah.
He didn't give us those points either. Yeah, 3 points.
Score is wrong. It's off. 3 points off.
3 points. There we go.
Thank
Is that
you.
right now?
Yep, that's right. You make that one?
Yeah.
Good for him.
Let this guy do the scoreboard. He's not paying attention at all.
He ain't paying attention. Where's the girl?
It's like me doing the camera.
The girl did a good job. Where's she? Good job, Dave.
Go in there.
Oh, yeah. Good job. Good job. Come on, Zay.
It's alright.
Good. Good, Zay. Good. Good, Josiah.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You keep looking over here more than I am. I know. I've got it. think he went out of bounds.
Good, Jackson. Good. Here you go, Dre. Good job, bud.
Ooh, he got Conley to jump. Oh, I thought it was Corey. Ma'am?
Yeah, challenge.
Oh, I don't know. I'd say Evans. And I'm not just saying that because it's Conley.
I know. It's hard to know.
I think that one, I think the defender tipped it when he passed it and it made it come down in the feet.
Get it, get it, get it. There you go, Conley. Oh, yes, Greg, that was beautiful. Good job.
Yeah!
Good job, Rolly.
Good call.
Who's it on?
11.
I mean,
He was shoving off like this. You can't do that. His defender? No. But I was hoping the ref would see it. 'Cause, I mean, he'd been doing that the whole game. No, it's not.
there you go, Con. Oh, he got that foul.
Do what?
He got the foul.
They did.
Oh, they did. Okay. There's too much going on for you. Yeah.
Attaboy, Conley. Go in.
There you go,
Boy.
buddy.
Good free throws today. Oh my. Attaboy, Con. Good job, Dre. Good finish. I could say so much, but I'm on camera. I can't say anything.
Oh, goodness gracious.
I know. He keeps getting good shots, too. It's all right. He's a good enough player. He knows he can make them. He can keep shooting them. And everybody here knows he can make them, so. Yeah.
Get it in.
After the second layup, I was like, poor thing. You got it, Evan. Next shot. Oh. I forgot to film that side. Nothing really happened though. I'm sorry. That was the first time I've really messed up this game. Please forgive me, Mama. Or, you know, if you get really mad, you can take away my filming privilege. It's but I was like, oh, thanks, and then I would do it in basketball. I'd be like, that's the and they're like, that's the ref. I was like, oh.
Rebound, there you go.
To my fifth grade mind, it was all the same.
Yes.
Did you hear me, Mom? To my fifth grade mind, it was all the same.
Good rebound. Come on.
Oh my God. They got a touch on me.
You got a 2 or 3?
2. Oh! Goodness gracious. It's alright. Don't give easy looks on defense, guys. Come on.
There you go.
You're good, Evan. Next shot. Next one's in.
Good, LaShawn.
Good defense. Full of new people.
That dude's gonna have 50 scores. That dude scores 21. Good day. Oh, good job, good job. There you go, Josiah. There you go. Nice.
Is this the second half?
The guy's like 50 scoreboard better.
What's the actual score?
36-23.
That was a walk. I think it was. It looked like a walk.
There you go, Landon. Good job.
Rough call. Rough call. What's he doing?
He's dancing over there.
He said, Oh my goodness. That's foul. Offensive foul on number 22. Who is guarding him? Mama.
There you go, Josiah. Good job.
2 minutes and 45 seconds on the clock.
Good, Josiah. Good.
Good still. Ooh. I thought he had it. They called a foul on whoever was guarding the ball. I don't know who it was, but it probably was.
There you go, Josiah. Oh!
That a kid?
Bless him hard.
He definitely did.
Not many
I would.
Yeah, he did.
I said I would. That a kid. Go in. Go in. Oh. Good defense. Whole new 5.
It's nice that we have a whole team to set up.
Yeah, it is nice.
And that's still not really the score.
I don't think any of their fans noticed it.
No, they didn't. Not really. There you go, Conley.
He just flies in there like a bird.
There you go, Evan.
Yeah, attaboy. Good, Conley. That was beautiful.
Nice shot, bro. You keep falling. He's been hit twice. He's got hit in the head on this side of the
Which one?
Josiah was throwing it back and he's hitting the knees.
Number 11?
No, the one with the blonde puffy hair. Whatever number he is.
11?
Okay. Bless his heart, he's gotten hit twice.
Oh, I forgot to turn this off. Let's just zoom in real quick. That's the score. Actually, the score is 32-42. But they forgot to put their 2 points, but I'm not telling them, so. Go in. Hey!
Yes!
Attaboy, Dre.
Good job, Dre.
Good shot. Okay. Let's.
Good, Evan.
Grab it, Conley. You got it.
It's like 5 seconds.
It does say 5 seconds.
Start the clock. There you go.
Final score was actually 32-45.